have with us Coach Raksha Jain, and we have one of our student who is a gold member with us. His name is Rapul Raj Kishore. And what I was informed by the coach that Rapul was suffering from type 1 diabetes from a long time, and he adopted naturopathy. So let's ask him what is the status of his insulin, the insulin injection which he was taking. Let's ask what is the status now. So I'll start directly from Rapul Raj Kishore, and then I'll come to the angel coach Raksha Jain. Rapul, over to you. How has been your journey and what's the status of your insulin?
Sir, hello sir. Hi. Pranam, first sir. Pranam. Yeah. My journey, sir, I am like a happy soul on the planet, sir, now. My 40 years suffering came to an end. For last 40 years, I was waking up in the night. From the last 3 months, I am sleeping like a baby. Because diabetic patients need to wake up in the night for the nature call. So I stopped waking up in the night anymore. And I am sleeping very happily. And the journey was too good, sir. I mean, I don't know how to express my words. In one line, I'll tell you, I am on the top of the Mount Everest now. I'm just sitting on the top of Mount Everest, enjoying all the knowledge. And my insulin, I was on 50 units. Now it has been dropped to 0. And I'm able to enjoy even the ice creams as well. It's like heaven in the mouth now. They taste very differently. Earlier it was suffering, but now I know how to clean my system and how to be happy and healthy. Yeah.
Really amazing. Yeah. So how it feels, from 50 unit insulin. So how many years you were taking insulin, Rapul?
So from age of 22, I was taking. So the thing is, I have fallen down in the office, sir, completely. My sugars were like 550 like that. Thing is, I was on tablets before that. But the thing is, it was not dropping. So one day I had fallen and they said that I am double diabetic. So from that year onwards till now I am taking the insulin, and I tried homeopathy, I tried allopathy, I tried Ayurveda. Nothing was curing me. It is the only education which is naturopathy is curing me.
So your current age is?
My current age is now 40. I'm 40 years old.
So almost 18 years you took insulin?
Yes.
Right? So
yes.
It started from 50 unit or it started from a small dose and slowly it went to 50?
It started with 12 units.
Okay.
Then it went up to 50. Because of my work stress, I had to take that much.
Amazing.
And the thing is, I did not know that it was diabetes. All my life I was suffering. From childhood I was suffering. And I told my coach why I'm suffering. Then she found out the root cause. Yes, why are you suffering like that? Yeah. After 3 months, my weight dropped from 85 to 71.
Boom.
And out of 84 asanas, I'm able to do like 30-35 asanas. My body has become flexible, and I have run 10 kilometers marathon non-stop.
Wow.
Non-stop, first time in my life, a diabetic patient, 10 kilometers without stop and without heavy breath. No, I'm ready to run another 30 as well to compete with the Olympics. Thing is, I did not overdo. 10 kilometers, I stopped and I updated my coach. I updated my weights as well.
Amazing.
From 85 to 71.
More power to you.
And one more, forgot, sir. My specs are gone, sir. Now I don't have using my specs anymore.
Boom. So then diabetes, then running, then your specs are gone. Amazing. Yeah.
Like Spider-Man, right? He used to put the specs and it's not visible. It's the same condition for me now. See this? I'm not using anymore.
That's really amazing. It's so inspiring. Well done, Raksha. Over to you. So how has been your journey with Rapul?
The journey has been amazing. The case when initially came to me was in a critical condition. And then with Rapul's conviction and my knowledge, we have brought him out with it. So it's not just the knowledge of us, it's also the conviction of the person who is onboarding.
True.
So Rapul has been a very great student. He has followed 100% whatever was told to him to the mark. And now he is enjoying the foods, and he's also letting me know that, yes, Raksha ji, I'm having this and this is my cheat time. So he's very happy with it. I'm very happy to see that he has come out of all these challenges.
Amazing. So proud of you, Raksha. I mean, you are amazing, and the way you are, taking care of your students. Hats off to you. More power to both of you. Long way to go, right? Keep inspiring people like this, and you guys are awesome.